What's up, guys? Hey, I want to show you something I just picked up here a little while ago. I wanted to test it out before I show you. This here is the Udor Boomless sprayer chemical gun, okay? Gotta tell you, it's high quality. I don't know if you ever heard of a Boomless sprayer, but there is a lot of technology in this little tip here. I mean, it is machine finished, stainless steel, it's quality. Also, we're dealing with their chemical gun, full Vite seals and so forth. When you get this gun, it actually comes with a brass insert with British threads. Put it in the vise, spin it out, take it out. We got our Mosmatic swivel on there and my cam lock. This is great for you guys who get on roofs to spray. I love it for the fences, okay? What a Boomless sprayer does, and you're gonna watch when I light it up, it's gonna give you a nice fan pattern, but it's gonna put less chemical here and more chemical out there. So if you have it shooting here, it's gonna douse it where when you're next to yourself, you got a constant spray, but it sprays also more chemical out. It's like a fan pattern. Like I said, there's a lot of thought into this Boomless sprayer. This is really huge in the agricultural business when they have them on the large big booms that reach out. That's why I call it Boomless, because it achieves that same type of pattern. All right, I'll light it up and we'll show you what we got. Go ahead and turn our now you see we got a really nice fan pattern here. You notice it's straight here and it comes straight down here, okay? You notice a lot more product is coming out of this portion than this portion that's close to your body. All right, so I like it, like I said, when you're doing fences, when you're applying that bleach, it's really not wasting a lot of product. You're not overshooting it into the neighbor's lawn or so forth. But same thing like when you do front porches, you want to get up in there, and the swivel really makes it, really adds to it. So you can just swivel the wrist. All I always hold one hose here. Get up in here. I mean, look at that. Like I said, you got a lot more product shooting here, less there, nice fan pattern. And right now we're doing about 12 gallons a minute. This gun is good up to 750 PSI, and it's from Udor. I'll go ahead, and one of these corners you'll see a link to click on where you could get the information on this gun and ask your local dealer, your local Udor dealer about it. It's about $1.25. And like I said, it comes with a little brass insert. Spin that insert off, put your own Mosmatic half-inch swivel, and however you connect it to your hose, and you're good to go. Like I said, Vite seals from Udor, it's quality, and yeah, flat work, fences, guys who get on roofs, this is beautiful for that. It lays down a nice mist, doesn't waste a lot of product. You're inside of front porches. It's a great little add-on gun. All right, guys, keep on spraying, buddy.